Hello, welcome to this Tracker channel. So everyone using Google Maps. Suppose if you want to share something about your friends, write a review on my particular website. How do we can give? Just you can share your mapping. They can come to your Google, search for IOM Academy, and click for review option. Then write in the write a review option will be click the write a review option. They can write the link, and we can give the link option here. So copy this URL, go to Incognis window and click it. So it will give this any bicycles are there, verified. What happens suddenly we can showing for icons are there. So what happened here? Nothing will be shown. When you click for Google review, once again will be there. But I have to show direct my URLs. Direct my URL. When I click that URL, automatically the people will write my reviews. They can't see my Google My Business. When I click the write a review option, they directly go to this review button. How to go to this review button directly? In this purpose, first of all, we can generating one ID is there. How do ID generate? This is nothing but Google Place ID. Google Place ID. URL developers.google.com/maps/documentation/places/web-service/place-id. This is a URL. This URL I can give the YouTube description part, or we can possibility we can selecting for the Rocket Tech Solution website. If we not find out, please search will be here. We find out the code, any kind of titles. Now, in this one, I'll go to cancel it. What is the website here? Search it. Done. Here, this is our place ID. This is our place ID. This ID where I can insert. How we can show the direct Google review options. This is called one of the code is there. What is the code? I'll show you here. Now ID is a copy, paste, go to notepad. Where is the place ID? Enter it, copy the URL. Now I can go to the Incognis window. Check it out. What is asking for? Login. Suppose login is there. What is showing for your particular login option? There to show to customer will be write a review option. So it is enabled, but it's taking some time to the activation. This is a complete code is there. Write a review option. The code we can insert by where? Your particular website. In this simple, we can go to option will be write a review. The writing will be code is there. So that will be, I'll show the code. So I'm writing small code. The code is called in this. What is the place ID? Copy. Just I'll show the one sample one. Post. Edit. Any website, we have two options. Their content option will be there. We can code option also will be shown to customers. Where it is plus. There are multiple options are here. We can use the coding option will be shown to customers. We can use this code. Update. Preview. So here is a code only for showing code will be here. That is why we can add the direct link option is better. So sometimes code is a preview option will be failure. Just so compared to WordPress, and this will be completely changed. Complete. Click here. They showed right review option. Is a WordPress small option will be changed. There's a problem. You can developer will be fix this a particular issue. That they go to where when you click the review option, the customer go to the which option? That review and click the review button will be there. We can show to the customers. This will be visible by the users, but it takes some time. You can show to the customers. This code will be inserted from with the developers. This complete code. href blank button class and shade all square. This will be and show to the users. I'll show this code will be direct into the PHP website. It will show to will be when you click the write a review option, they right come to in a particular option. So this code we can update it from which one? Developer will update your particular website. Easily you can show the particular buttons. There is a major impact from the developers and our SEO guys. So this code will be useful for the write a review when you click that they go to which option? Review option will go to customer in a particular websites. So simple one. I'm copy this code. Copy. Just some login Blogger website. So I'm just taking one Blogger. We can go to about us page. In this, we have the option name is called HTML view. Paste it. Compose view. Publish. About us. See this. Share your experience. Will show the particular customer. We can same login I'm using that. When using other login, they automatically show by the pop-up option. When a user first time customer will be came, I mean repeated customer, so that is the one problem. So when click here in a WordPress anywhere, when you click this option, the right visible this option will be directly. Any first user coming to your website, that is your experience one option. When you click your option and submit the post, this is nothing but write a review option directly on particular Google My Business. Is it clear? This link will be valid from any first time coming to new user. I'm trying to my user, but they're not showing. When a new user will show will be that Google review option. Same like how we can using for YouTube channel when click new user coming to YouTube channel. How we can show same like this? Same will be show will be Google review option also. Is it clear? This is nothing but we can write a reviews will be direct option Google API place ID code. This is a particular code for to generating for Google place ID option. This will be any particular questions you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be help how we can add in the code. This 2 line of code I'll give to the your particular YouTube description part. How this one is a simple one. Just I'm targeting my link. With the button of success, icon will be shade alt square option is a favicon. What is my experience? Share your experience. Nothing but your experience you can share from the Google reviews. Remember, user only one time, new user will be visible by the Google review option. Is it clear? Any further question? You can ask me to my channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Digital Rakesh channel.